As staff, you have access to users, the number of CVs created, the number of CVs downloaded, and the volume of coaching conducted. You can also see the contents that were clicked on the most by your students, the list of users, and the list of CV corrections made. At the top, you can filter activity by campus and by date and export to an Excel file. In the My Talents section, you will be able to see all the CVs that have been made with us. You also have access to career content and job sites. If you go back to the dashboard and all the way to the top right, you can change the view of your space and have the student view. Amazing, you know everything. For a better overview of the CSV file, select the first column, click on Data, then Convert. Delimited, then comma, and Next. There you go. The trick is done. You can then save it in the more usual Excel format. You now have a usable file. You can contact us for any issue. Have a great day and good luck. Well done. Thank you for listening. Our entire team is at your disposal.